Hey there, it's Steven from 4 Patriots, and I don't know about you, but I am ready for spring. And I'm ready to see Mother Nature start decorating the great outdoors with colorful plants and flowers. Now, one great way to welcome the new season is prepping seeds for spring planting. So I've dusted off my green thumb and I am ready to let you in on all of my best do-it-yourself garden secrets. Today I'll be showing you how I prep my soil and seedlings and all the shortcuts that will hopefully have your spring garden flourishing in no time. Before we get our hands dirty, go ahead and tap that subscribe button along with that little notification bell next to it. We've got great videos in store and you won't want to miss out on them. Okay, let's get to digging. Now, every garden has a few different purposes, right? It can provide wonderful fresh produce for us to eat, which is awesome with all these rising food costs. Plus, having a backup food supply right in your own backyard can give you a whole lot of peace of mind too. Not to mention, gardening is good for you. It gets you outdoors, enjoying Mother Nature, and you get to take pride in what you've grown. Okay, first things first, let's lay out our seed pouches by type. We've got herbs, veggie, and flowers. I've also got 3 empty cardboard 8 cartons with the tops removed and some drainage holes poked underneath to start our seedlings. 1 carton for each kind. I'm also going to take this handy Sharpie here and label each one by type: veggies, herbs, and flowers, just to keep things organized. This is our Victory Garden Seed Vault. I love fresh veggies, and this kit is brimming with over 5 varieties of colorful favorites like red sail lettuce, Detroit dark red beets, scarlet Nance carrots, black beauty zucchini, and large cherry tomatoes. One thing I really love about this kit, besides the satisfaction of digging in the dirt and watching my plants grow, is the fact that you can plant, grow, and harvest food from the original seeds year after year, because these are heirloom seeds. It definitely helps to save on grocery bills and gets you vital nutrition when the going gets tough. Next up, let's take out the Floral Pollination Seed Kit. This collection has 6 gorgeous varieties of brilliant blooms that will add more than just a pop of color to your garden. They'll actually help your local bees thrive with a source of nourishing food. Now, the flowers in this kit are no shrinking violets. Instead, they're a hardy collection of beauties that are easy to grow, and it even has a couple that thrive in the hot sun. They also add a nice fragrance to your garden and offer a dazzling array of colors from yellow to deep magenta. Now comes one of my favorites, our Flavor Harvest Herb Seed Kit. From a freshly blended pesto to the distinctive bite of mustard greens, this kit has 6 different varieties of herbs to make all kinds of recipes unforgettable. The herbs in this kit include Italian large leaf basil, common Italian oregano, dark green Italian flat leaf parsley, mammoth Long Island dill, Munzer red strikes mustard, and last but not least, some good old classic chives. Herbs are special because they add that perfect flavorful touch to round out almost any dish, from soups, salads, pastas, and even roasts. Now, we need to prepare our 8 cartons with our soil mixture. As you can see, I've got a container of normal potting soil I got from the garden store. I'm going to take some used coffee grounds here and sprinkle them in. You may be asking, why coffee grounds? Well, because of the nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. This garden hack will really help your seedlings take off. Not to mention, the strong smell of the coffee grounds is also a great way to keep little critters away from your precious plants. A little bone meal and a touch of perlite, which is an ultralight volcanic glass that helps with soil drainage. These are all part of my secret sauce to strong seedlings. Let's add a small amount of each here and get that all mixed up. And just a side note, you can pick up bone meal and perlite at most garden stores, nurseries, or even your local big box hardware store. Or look for them online. Next, I'm going to add some crushed eggshells. That's right, don't toss them out the next time you make an omelet, because these are a great source of calcium carbonate, an important nutrient for young growing plants. Once it's all mixed in, I'm going to take this small trowel from our garden tool set to scoop our soil mixture into each egg cup, filling it about halfway. Then take 2 seeds of the variety of seedling you want to plant and place them in the egg cup. Repeat this process for each kit. We're planting 2 seeds per egg cup because not every seed will germinate. So we're going to give our seeds the best chance to take root for a robust garden come summer. Now I'm going to cover all the seeds with the remaining soil mixture and give them each a bit of a drink to encourage quicker germination. But remember, don't drown them. Finally, we're going to place our freshly planted seeds in a nice, warm, preferably sunny, but not too sunny spot. If you don't have a greenhouse, a windowsill would work perfectly. Pretty soon, we'll have healthy young seedlings to transfer to our garden for a full season of healthy survival food and beautiful blooms. The great part of using the cardboard egg cartons is that you can cut the cups apart and plant the whole cup right in the soil. It's easy peasy. Now you can sit back and enjoy the garden you grew yourself. Do you have a seedling secret? Please let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button on this video and subscribe to our channel. And here's to a healthy harvest.